Now, the people in New Hampshire have been getting a lot of phone calls lately from pollsters. And I know voters have been asking you a lot of questions. Well, I have some questions for you. And when you give the answer, I want them to be able to hear you in Berlin, in Keene, in Salem, and in Portsmouth. So can you make your voices heard today as loudly as you will on November 6th? Can we re-elect a president who will grow our economy by investing in our workers and by strengthening the middle class? Can we re-elect a president who will improve our schools, increase access to health care, and keep our communities safe? Can we re-elect a president who will fight for equal pay for equal work and will represent all Americans? I'm not sure they can hear you up in Berlin.